My dear students, hope all of you are well. This is my second session. I received some questions from you. Let me give the answer of these questions regarding the machines. Your question is, sir, are VV connected or delta or open delta connected transformer can be connected in parallel to a delta delta connected transformer but not to in delta star? Sir, why? See, let me give you the answer. When you are using the open delta, that means one winding is disconnected. When one winding is disconnected from the delta circuit, obviously the connections will be there, supply will be there, but it will be in reduced manner. That means from the primary side, full phase of supply will be there, but in the secondary side you will get a reduced value of voltage. That means it will operate at nearly 57.7% of the total rating, and the circuit will be continuing operation. But in that case of open delta connected transformer and delta connected transformer should have the same phase displacement. Only then they can connect it in parallel to each other. Your next question is, sir, the delta connections are used in application of which kind of transformer? Obviously, the delta connections are used in to handle line voltage, so it needs more turn in the winding but thin wires. Another similar kind of question you have given, that sir, open delta transformers can be obtained from which kind of transformers? The answer very simple, that if one of the transformer removed from the bank of an only delta transformer, then it behaves with 57.7% of the power delivery. Very simple answer. Another very simple question you have asked, that if a paramagnetic core is used in the place of ferromagnetic core of the transformer, then what will happen for the magnetostriction of the transformer? The answer is very simple. If the core is not ferromagnetic, then the transformer will not operate at all, so no humming sound will be present. Another question you asked, sir, in one definition, what is autotransformer? See, I have already given you some notes. Again, I am telling you the answer. If this kind of transformer, only one winding is used as primary and secondary. Also, the primary and secondary are conductively coupled. Another question you have asked, sir, what is two winding transformer in single definition? Basically, the two separate winding, one as primary and the other as secondary, are used. Both windings are magnetically coupled. Another question you have asked, sir, what is 6 winding transformer? So the answer is, in case of 6 winding transformer, 3 windings in primary and the other 3 windings in secondary are used. They are 3-phase transformers. They are connected in either star, either delta, either star delta or delta star connections. Another question you have asked, sir, what are the advantages of shell type transformer over core type transformer? The very basic answer, that in shell type transformers, the coils are well supported on the all sides, and so that can withstand higher mechanical stresses developed during short circuit conditions. Also, the leakage reactance will be less in shell type transformers. Another question you asked, sir, what are the power transformer? Basically, the power transformer is used for the transmission purpose at heavy load, high voltage greater than 33 kV and 100% efficiency. It is big in size as compared to distribution transformer. It is used in generating station and transmission substations. It is generally rated above 200 megavolt ampere. Hope you will get the answers. So we'll come up with the next video.